Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see, I have some new hair. I have this wig from AFSISTER Wigs. It's a 13x6 Skin Melt Lace Honey Brown Highlighted Blonde Wig. I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to stay connected and see how I style my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. The wig came to me in this black box with a blue ribbon on it. As you guys can see, it has their logo, which says AFSISTER Wig in like gold foiling on the front. When you slide the box open, you'll see the wig inside. And they also sent over some goodies. They sent over an extra insertable elastic adjustable band. They also sent over the melt band to put on to lay your lace down. It has their logo on it. They also sent over a pack of wig caps, a rat tooth comb, as well as an edge brush. The hair was wrapped in a hairnet and it also had tissue paper inside. As you guys can see, the wig came in this loose, beautiful curl. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, like I mentioned, so you can see the lace all right here. And this lace is so fine and thin and easy to melt into the skin. There are combs on the side as well as a comb in the back, and then there's adjustable bands in the back as well as the insertable elastic band. This is what the lace looked like straight out of the box, just up against my hand and my skin. The lace just melts into the skin so well. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and bleach the knots more, because at the very tip of some of the knots they are a little bit brown, but this wig is pre-plucked and it looks so natural. I did not have to touch this hairline at all. All I did was add some baby hairs and it looked so beautiful. This hair is so soft, like straight out of the box it's soft. After I put heat on it, it was soft. This hair is just so beautiful. Putting the wig on my head, this is what it's looking like fresh out of the box, guys. I did not pluck this hairline. Look how natural it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and just clip the hairline a little bit because it is a little long for me ear to ear. So I'm going ahead, as you guys can see, just taking some scissors and trimming down the lace on the edges, just so that it'll actually fit around my ear and my actual hairline much better. So you guys can see when I pull it down, it fits and looks so much more natural. For this install, I'm going to be using the Ebin Wonder Lace glue, and I'm going to be applying 3 layers. I did go ahead and do slightly a bald cap. It's not my best work. I'm not a professional, guys. I'm also just someone installing wigs at home and trying them out. But because I am using a lace adhesive spray, I can kind of use this to touch up the edge of that bald cap, and as you guys can see, by the end it'll look a lot better. Once I applied 3 layers, blow dried them and let it get tacky, I'm going ahead and applying the lace and pulling it down to my hairline, holding it really taut, and then I'm taking a comb, brushing the hair back and applying the wig band. I let that set while I finished off my makeup, and this is what the hairline is looking like. And this is how the wig came to me, guys. I did not pluck this wig. All I'm doing is going ahead and clipping some baby hairs and cutting them down, taking some Got2b glue and securing those into place. And to set everything, I'm going to be taking the red can of the Wonder Lace Ebin adhesive spray, using a blow dryer, and then I'm gonna set everything with that band again. But this is what it's looking like, guys. This was so easy to install and so easy to work with. This lace is just very nice quality. If you wanted to, you could add some lace tint. You could go ahead and bleach the knots further depending on your skin complexion, and you could even make this look way more natural. But fresh out of the box, guys, this wig looks really natural and was so easy to install. As you guys can see, the wig came in some waves and curls, but I'm going ahead and taking my flat iron and I'm just adding some curls throughout the hair. I'm creating a middle part a little more defined and just adding some curls all throughout. This hair, guys, is so soft. It was so easy to install and so easy to work with in style. It took to the heat very well. I don't have a hot comb, so I'm going ahead and using this curling wand to flatten out the top of the wig. And this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with how this lace and this frontal laid. I did not have to do any customization, and I think it looked pretty good for being fresh out of the box. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. This is in 20 inches, and this is what it looks like after being curled with a flat iron. This hair is so incredibly soft, guys. I've been doing a lot of wig reviews back to back, and this hair is by far the softest hair that I've had in a while. Quality of this cap is really nice, and the quality of this lace is so easy to install and work with. And this hair is so soft, guys. As you can see, it has so much movement and bounce, and it just performed so well. It gave me no problems, and I was able to just run my fingers through the wig. The next day, I went ahead and defined that part a little bit with some eyeshadow, and I'm going ahead and taking some hairspray to really flatten out the top part of the hair. I also wanted to go ahead and style this wig a little bit differently, so I went ahead and I actually parted the front sections of the hair and took some scissors, and I'm going to be adding some layers to kind of just frame the face. And I thought this would just look so cute if I just bumped this under, so I went ahead again and took my flat iron and I just smoothed out these pieces and just bumped under the ends. And I really love how this turned out with the blonde highlights in this color. It was just giving me like 90s, early 2000s vibes, and I'm just absolutely obsessed with this wig. Once I styled it like this, I was so much more in love with the style and the color. I feel like it fit really well. I went in after this video and cut on my right side a little bit shorter to match the left side because I love how the left side was falling. It's the right side to you guys, but it's my left. So I went ahead and cut the other side a little bit shorter to match, and it kind of is more like some longer side swept bangs into layers, and I absolutely love it. I will have this wig linked down below as well as all of the specs and information so you guys can check it out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this wig. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to stay connected and see how I style my hair and my different looks and outfits, and to just keep up with me a little bit more. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.